I'm going to show you how to use the segment builder. So the segment builder allows you to build custom segments of your very own by grouping logical combinations of current segments that we have. So here we're using, for the example, Lululemon. We have a young professional segment and a wealthy suburban segment. We can jump in here to look at the Lululemon young professional segment, for example, and see a description that we made of it, the name, and then a custom photo. And then this is a combination of segments AO2, GO1, and GO3. They're all segments that over-index on being under 30 years old. And then you can see custom data based on all their visitation patterns, social media patterns, etc. And this is really helpful if you're running an advertising campaign and don't want to do personalization across 10 segments. You can group them up in logical combinations. So let me show you an example of how to do this. And we're going to finish this out for Lululemon by making another segment. I'm going to do this by going to Analyze. Now, here's one thing I will say. If you have visitation data or you have customer data, you can do this with logical combinations of those two. In this case, we're not working directly with Lululemon, so we're going to use the pre-built data, specifically people's visitation to Lululemon for this example. So I'm going to type in Lululemon and brands. And this is the people that visit Lululemon. These are devices visiting Lululemon. And we see this at the segment level. Here's the top 10 segments for devices visiting Lululemon. And some of these should look familiar. So AO2, GO1, GO3, those are our young professionals. Then AO1, AO3, and AO6, those are our suburban. Now, if you notice the pink segments here, JO1, JO2, JO4, these are all older or nearly retired segments. So there's an opportunity for Lululemon to create a broad near retirement segment. So this is what we're going to do. JO1, JO2, JO4, we're going to group this up in the segment builder. So I'm going to go to create a new segment. I'm going to go to segment view, and I'm going to look up the segments. So we got JO1, JO2, JO4, got it. We have here all three that we picked. So we're going to give this segment a name. Lululemon older customers. We'll give it a description. Older customers that over index on visiting Lululemon, combination of J1, J2, and J04. We can describe that more if we'd like. I'm going to leave it simple. We're going to upload a custom image for this, and I have a Lululemon older group that I'm going to add in here. Okay, I'm going to hit next. I'm going to give my work email. The reason we have this is so it lets us know when it's finished. Spatial.ai, and it will let me know when that is finished processing. So we can go back to our custom segments, and we'll see that this is this processing here. And we can now begin activating on that by going to the Activate tab. And the ones that I've already processed should be available here in Custom. So this is pushing it into a marketing campaign. I can hit Custom. Look at this. We got Lululemon Young Professionals. We grab that. And then we have all of our segments, all of our cohorts available for targeting this across the entire United States. So we can hit Next, and then we can begin processing that audience. So that represents 4.1 million people across the United States. And then we can do some personalization based on young professionals here. Personalizations based on being wealthy suburbanites or older customers. And remember, all of these are the top 10 segments for visiting Lululemon. We've just simplified it, given it a new name and a description. So this is a great way to begin using Segment Builder within your own company.